like that. Hello. Mariel! Ay, my roomie! I miss you, roomie. I miss you, roomie, so much. I will see you sa Kadayawan. Yee! I miss you, roomie. How are you, Mariel? See you in Davao, yes! I'm so excited. I miss you, roomie. Sana roommates tayo. Pwede ba yun? Hi. Hello sa inyong lahat. Alexa, are you hiring, ha? Hindi po. But you can hire me. Charot. Baliktad. Hi, guys. So, sobrang random lang. Nagme-makeup kasi ako. Tapos, mag-isa lang ako dito. So, why not? Samahan niyo ako for the vibes. I am a Pisces. Ang ganda. Hindi, itsura ko. Ang laki mo na. Buti naman po lumaki ako, no? Saklap naman kasi kung hindi, eh. Musta po bakasyon? O nga, no? Galing nga pala akong Australia. Okay naman. Today, mag-aayos ako kasi we have a full day of promo for Misbehave kasi today is our finale day. Ilalabas na yung finale episode namin mamayang 8 p.m. So sad. So sad. So, magpa-promote kami later. Kami ng cast ng Misbehave. We're gonna do some lives. May mga guestings din kami. Tapos, sabay tayong manonood later. Pero yun, kailangan ko na mag-ayos. At alam niyo naman, napakabagal ko. So, I just washed my face. So, my face is super duper clean. Wala pa akong skin prep, primer, nada. I got nothing. So, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. Meron ka rin sa Someone Someday. Oo nga eh, nag-guest din ako doon. Cameo lang yon, parang few episodes lang. I'm playing Zara Larsson because she's coming here and I can't wait! Ikoy? Hoy, umalis ka dito. Nakakahiya. Hi, Ikoy. So, anong niluto mo today? Can't get me out of your head. Grabe, mukha na akong zombie. Mukha na akong sobrang putla. So, I'm using Pancit Canton. Okay, di ikaw na. Nang inggit pa talaga. Anong flavor? Sobrang ganda ng Misbehave. Thank you! Guys, mamaya na yung finale namin. Watch. Ba't ang dami sa inyong nagtatanong ng zodiac sign ko? Anong meron? Can't do it again. Can't get me out of your head. Uh-oh. Yes, magkita po tayo sa Kadayawan. Don't ask me why I look like this. Yeah, don't ask me why I look like this. I know you do. So, I like brushing my brows up kasi kita nyo naman napakakapal talaga ng kilay ko. But, honestly, I have good and bad brow days. Like, there are days na palpak talaga yung paggawa ko ng kilay ko. So, I hope today is not one of them. Brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their brow freeze. Whatchamacallit? Uh-oh. Parang na-overdo ko ata yung brows ko. Sobrang lala. Can't get me out of your head. May communication pa ba kayo ni Benedict? Oo naman! I'm so happy for him. He is thriving. He is thriving in the theater scene and I'm so proud of him. And I can't wait to watch him sa The Notebook. Oh my goodness. He's killing it. I watched him sa Bar Boys. Pinuntahan ko rin siya nun sa huling El Bimbo. So good. I'm so proud of him talaga. And I can't wait to watch Nagpagupit yan siya. Hindi po! Emerald, hindi ako nagpagupit. Hindi ako nagpagupit. Nasa likod lang yung buhok. Listen to Carrie Bradshaw by Kylie. Kylie Jenner. Kylie Jenner? Sinong Kylie? So, ayan, yung kilay ko, napakalala. Para natin siyang glinu. Shine on me, kiss me in the dark. Susuklay lang natin siya. Now, I realized na hindi ko kayang mag-makeup ng naka-live. Bumabagal ako talaga. Kasi nakikipag-chismisan ako sa inyo. Muulan ba dyan? Kanina! Kanina lakas ng ulan dito. Okay, so now that we have our brow product on, we're gonna put our primer. Kasi papatuyuin ko po siya bago ko siya i-fill in. Because I usually fill in the brows naman, pero just dito sa dulo. Kiss me. Ah, hello. Yes, hello, Jella. Jella. That's my favorite part. Oh, we look beautiful underneath the stars. So, ito mga makeup na ginagamit ko. Ito yung kit na dala ko for taping for every time. Basta, ito rin yung dala ko sa Australia. At, can I just say, ang galing ko mag-makeup nung ASAP in Australia. Sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko. Parang I finally got it right. So, I'm hoping and I'm praying to the good Lord na maulit ko pa siya. So, for primer, I'm using the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. Nagpa-under eye treatment ka na. I did, so ito, kwentuhan ko kayo. Just a few days ago, no, August 2, I had an appointment sa Bello. I was supposed to do two treatments. One is called Liftera for under eyes and one is called Ultracol. Ultracol, yung parang, alam ko yun yung ini-inject yung under, anong gamit mo sa lips mo? Wala pa ako nilalagay. I-inject yung under eyes mo. Pero when I got there, si Doc Bello mismo yung nag-check ng under eyes ko. So sabi niya, we have to tighten my under eye area first kasi when I lost weight, I lost a lot of volume. Ay, hindi ko kayo minumura. I lost a lot of volume here sa under eye area. Yung sa face, hindi siya sobrang lumubog kasi nababantayan ko siya ng Ultherapy, Emerald Eclabu. Basta bantay ko yung face ko. Hindi ko na bantayan na yung under eyes din pala dapat minamachine din. Eh ayun, sobrang lumubog na. Tapos sobrang nipis na daw ng balat ko dito sa under eye. So yun, may ginawa muna kaming treatment or machine for the under eye. Nakakaisa pa lang ako. And in fairness, feeling ko may change na. Parang nag-lift and nag-tighten nga yung sa under eyes ko. But I have to do it for 3 months pa. So after 3 months, doon namin i-check if gagawin pa rin sa akin yung Ultracol na tinatawag. But I'll keep you guys updated. I also have to do Neuro Bright Eyes, this treatment. Ang lala kasi talaga ng eye bags ko. Sobrang, not very hambam. Aray, wala ka pong makeup artist. Not today, kasi medyo biglaan yung schedule ko today. So, hindi na ako nakapagpabook. But I do have a hairstylist coming. Ano po yung moisturizer mo? Hindi ako nag-moisturizer today. I'm trying to do the routine that I did in Australia. And I didn't put any skin prep nung Australia kasi trinay ko lang. And kind of worked. But I don't know if it's because malamig doon sa Australia kaya maganda yung lapat ng makeup ko. So makikita natin today kung maganda pa din. Kung mag-work pa din siya. Okay, so I put my primer. And before I... Sino bang text sa akin? Ay. Okay, papatugtog tayo. Okay, daming anong ganap mo today. Misbehave promo. Masakit yung treatment. Well, naka-anesthesia naman ako eh. May EMLA sa under eye. Na-try ko siya ng walang anesthesia and medyo malakas yung pitik niya. Parang siyang maliliit na pitik na kinukurot na maliliit. Alam niyo yun? Pero, nung may Emla na may anesthesia na, super okay. Tolerable, no problem. Nagpa-masseter botox din ako. Kaya medyo makanto pa yung pangako today kasi nung isang araw lang talaga siya ginawa. But in 2 weeks, mas makikita ko pa yung result. Hi Kuya Jed! Hi Kuya Jed! Kamusta? Nakakahiya naman. Hi Kuya Jed! See you soon in Davao. Yay! See you! See you guys! Okay, so color correct lang ako ng under eyes konti. Konti lang. Dito lang sa ilalim.
We should clean that up. No?
No, let's get messy.
Messy?
Like really messy.
A pretty girl get ugly like this. My color corrector, I have no idea how to pronounce this. The same. The same. I don't know. But I use the sort of salmony color. Nagpagawa ka ba ng nose? No. This has been my nose since the beginning of time. Since I was born into this world. The brushes I use now are the Dalla Tony Sia brushes. I freaking love so much. Tagal mag-release ng episode ng Misbehave. Mamaya na yung finale namin. Mamaya na. Mamaya na yun. Ilang oras na lang. Anong name ng treatment? It's called, one is called Liftera. Liftera for the under eyes. The other one, yung hindi ko pa nagagawa, is called Ultracol. And the other one is called Neuro Bright Eyes. I'm gonna do the Neuro Bright Eyes in 2 weeks pa. Okay, so now I'm blending the under eye corrector, konti lang. I noticed that the less product I use sa under eyes ko, the less na nakikrease talaga siya. Tsaka yung dito lang nilalagay, talagang hindi papaabutin dito sa taas. Halos dito ko nilalagay yung product. Then I just blend it. But again, I don't know if it's because malamig sa Australia, kaya hindi nahuhulas yung makeup ko. We'll find out. Okay, so while I'm letting the primer sit talaga, I won't put any base muna. Magkikilay muna ako ulit. I will fill in my brows with a brow pen. Just the sparse areas here. Ang ginamit ko po na laminating Kinemperlu is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Gel. I also bought new makeup and I wanna try it. I buy makeup from Makeup Cart PH. Sa kanila lang ako bumibili ng makeup. Sila lang talaga yung pinagkakatiwalaan ko buying foreign makeup, especially this one. Like this. Sorry, naka-flip siya. Paano ba yun? Dito, they have the new road stuff. Nasan ko ba nilagay yun? Nasa kwarto ko ata eh. Okay guys, wait. Mag-focus lang ako. That's what I tell myself. Sobrang, I need someone to shave my eyebrows. They're kind of crazy. Since we've been 10, 12. Cause temptation is getting to me. But what happens when a girl's girl wants a boy? Makeup Cart PH. Have you experienced threading for a kilay? Yes, I have. Excruciating. So freaking painful. Kasi ang kapal ng hibla ng eyebrows ko. So, ang sakit talaga. I have a favorite eyebrow product from Issy, but apparently it's phased out, so I can't buy it anywhere, and I'm so sad. So this one is from Strokes. I know I got it in the wrong shade though. Kasi masyado siyang brown na warm. But dahil bago siya, it's gonna up to work. Ayoko nang bumili pa. Ay, wrong number po. Thank you. Hihi. Wrong number. I don't know what I'm doing. Makeup Cart PH. Ayoko na, tama na to. Makapal naman na kilay ko. Tigil na. Finished or not finished? Pass your paper. Okay, I feel like it's gonna be a bad makeup day today. Should I put contact lenses? Maybe later. Okay, now we're gonna do our base. For foundation, I will use House Labs. Aside from you, who is your favorite New Gen Diva? First of all, who said I was my favorite New Gen Diva? I'm not even my favorite New Gen Diva. No, I like them all. I just feel like, honestly, I wouldn't even call myself a diva. My voice leans towards pop. Pop music talaga. Pop singer ako eh. But, we're here now. So I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. Nakalimutan ko yung road na bagong bili ko. Nandun sa kwarto, tinatamad akong tumayo. Talking to you. Oh, frick! I should have done my eyes first! I forgot! I should have done my eyes first. Have you seen the Jelex billboard? No, not yet! Saan ko siya pwedeng makita? But it'll never be us. Saan yung billboard? I haven't seen it. I bought new concealer. This is from Tower 28. I hope it's good. Guadalupe Edsa. Sana madaanan ko siya today. So I put concealer on my eyelid because it helps with the eyeshadow. It helps it last longer. And mas lumalabas yung color ng eyeshadow when I have this on. It acts like a primer in a way, but just put a little. I can lose it to a fantasy. Pahingi ng playlist mo? Okay. But this playlist is just the Zara Larsson playlist. But I also have my own playlists. So if you search me on Spotify, it's Alex Way. Period. Yun na yan. I have a couple playlists. Not a lot though. Naka-private na kasi ata yung iba kong playlists eh. Nakakainis, nakalimutan kong mag-ayos muna. Mali! Wrong. Will you watch Zara Larsson concert? Yes, I will! Brushes from... These are the Dalla Tony Sia brushes. I absolutely love these brushes. I stopped bringing so many brushes na ito na lang talaga dala ko. So, sana hindi mo na ito manuyo, no? Sige na nga, lalagay ko na nga. Laki ng problema ko. So, this is the House Labs foundation. I'll put a little first. Saan nyo nabili yung clip nyo? I feel like sa Japan ko to nabili. Kanta ka, tete. Paano kakanta? Nagme-makeup tayo. Hindi kaya mag-multitask.
Sakay ng ating isipan. Iwan natin silang lahat.
The music I was playing earlier is just Zara Larsson.
Tayo munang dalawa.
Kamusta ka? Okay naman.
Mapit ka rito.
So, ayan. Laging napapadami yung foundation na nalalagay ko. Spotify name is Alex Way. I will show you.
Hawakan ang aking kamay.
My playlists.
Magsisilbing tulay tungo.
Okay na, nakita nyo na. Dalawa lang ata playlist ko dun. Hindi ako sure. Silang lahat.
Tayo na hanggang sa pagdilang pupurahin. Lahat ng alak.
Brow product suggestion. This is all I use. Brow freeze. Were you the one who did your eyebrows? Yes! Tayo muna dalawa. Ah! Pasok ka muna. Sakali. Hindi.
Ayon ang panahon.
You can find my playlist? Ah, baka naka-private. Sorry. I got my brushes from Dala. It's the Dala and Tony Sia. You like my nails? Thank you. It's something different, no? Okay. I will just put... Ay, ang lakas ng hangin. A little... So, light makeup lang naman gagawin ko today. Dahil maulan, senti-senti yung papakinggan natin.
Ikaw at ako pinagtagpo, nag-usap ang ating puso, nagkasundo, magsama habang buhay.
Yes, I am in the Philippines.
Nagsumpaan sa may kapal, walang iwanan, taginip o tagulan, haharapin bawat mundo.
This eyeshadow palette is from Fui. Fui.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin, kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin sa mundo.
Andun ka pala sa Someone Someday. Yes. Cameo role lang.
Sabay nating gawin kahapon,
Kailan?
bukas.
When... nawawala. Nakakalungkot last episode na ng Misbehave. I know. But all good things must come to an end, I guess.
Ikaw
Kaya abangan nyo na later ang finale.
pinag-isa, tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya sa isa't isa. Tayo ay
Hindi mo sinishave yung hair mo sa gitna ng eyebrows. I don't know how. I need a makeup artist to do that. If meron ako makeup artist, they do. But if ako lang, hindi ako marunong. So, I am not gonna touch my eyebrows.
Ako tayo magpakailanman.
Okay. Relapse tayo. Bakit? Bakit tayo magre-relapse? Hindi na para. Do you have a musical lined up? No na muna. Kakatapos ko lang ng 2 series, so I think pahinga muna tayo. Ayoko na. Tinamad na. Ayoko na. Dun, 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 dun. Then we will put some shimmering, shining, splendid. Actually, you know what, no? Ayoko ng shimmer. Tama na to. Light makeup lang. Gagawa lang naman ng content. Pero parang kailangan ko mag-contact lens. Kasi hindi ko kayang magbasa. When kayo magla-live ni Jello, I don't know. Wala naman sa schedule. Busy din sila eh. Okay, I will try to put my foundation for the millionth time. House Labs. Wala kayong watch party? Meron. Later. Kami, mag-watch kami together. Palagi kita. Purple. I know it looks scary right now, but just you wait. Just you wait. Sumisili. Perfect. It's giving bayawak. Dapat nominated si Alexa sa Gawad Buhay. No na. There are so many more deserving theater actresses. Okay, and then now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I will use the new lashes I got. I love it so much kasi hindi ko na kailangan mag eyeliner because of the new jelly lashes. Love it. Palagi kita. Okay ba yung LASIK surgery mo? Well, sa akin, honestly, it was good for the first 2-3 years, and then after kasi medyo lumabo na ulit yung mata ko. But I feel like my eyes were just meant to be malabo. I love this mascara so much! Okay. I won't put too much. May grado ba yung lens mo? Yeah, meron. Meron talaga. Can't see without. I get my lenses from Lens Atelier. Yun yung mga usong contact lens ngayon eh. 'Di ba? Yung mga ganito. Yung parang may ring light or something. Okay, and then I will put eyeliner sa aking waterline. This one's from Can Make. Huhu, nakakaluha. And then I'm gonna use these lashes from Fabulash, the Jelly Eugenio ones. I love this. Kaso nga lang yung isa medyo fragile. Nasira siya. Di ko alam bakit. Ay, bakit ayaw dumikit? Hala. Medyo fragile lang siya. Ba't wala na siyang dikit? Oh, dito na ang aking hairstylist. Hold on. Let's open the door. Hi, Bri! Blush inside. Blush!
So sorry I'm late.
Go lang.
We'll finish.
Okay. Okay naman, naka-TikTok live ako ngayon. Kasi nainip ako dito. She went to the bank. So, ganyan yung itsura ng lashes. Gusto ko siya kasi para may wing na siya. This is the Jelly Eugenio one from Fabulash. I just hope di siya liparin or anything. I hope it stays. Nakamute ako, ha? Talaga? Okay, let's do the other eye. Curl mascara. Curlash from Shiseido. My best friend. My best friend. So, sobrang simple lang nung eyeshadow ko. Talagang brown lang. Tamad na tamad ako mag... Oh, an eyelash went in my eye. Yes, kaya kong dot-dotin yung mata ko. Huwag niyong gayahin yan. The eyelash curler is from Shiseido. And then the mascara is from Absidy. My usual. But I will only put a light layer. Like, hindi ko na sobrang gagandahan masyado kasi magla-lashes naman tayo today. Ganyan. And then, I'm going to put some eyeliner. Nagtataka ko bakit ang daming nanonood. What is... Lock it by using your tweezer. Lock the lashes. Like, ipit. I'm not good pa at doing my makeup talaga. Using my tweezer, this one, ipitin ko. Paano? Natatakot ako. Takot ako baka masakit. Ipitin ko like, paano? Like that. Lock, okay. Aray. Lock, ganyan. Tama ba? Like that? Am I doing it right? Ganun ba? Tama? Sana. Contact lens is from Lens Atelier. I think they have TikTok. Yung may glue part, ilock like that. Ganun. Ganun ginamit ko kasi to, naglagay ako ng glue pa. Kasi 2 shows yun eh, so hindi talaga siya pwedeng matanggal. Wag siyang matanggal. Well, kung sakaling liparin yung yung lashes ko, okay lang, mahaba yung lashes ko, so magsa-survive siya. Hold on. Okay, let's put the lashes. Go lang. I can, yeah. Na-restrict ako. May na-restrict yung live ko.
Ay, bakit?
Hindi ko alam. Baka may nag-report. I don't know. Restricted daw eh. Sa brand? Okay. Eh, tanong kayo ng tanong eh. Di siyempre sasagot ako. Siyempre, ano yun? Dahil sa blower? Ha?
Ano yan?
Bakit naman?
Sa ingay? Gano'n?
Hindi ko alam. Don't drop the brand. But if you're asking me, I will answer. Of course. Bakit parang kasalanan ko? Bakit parang galit ka? Charot. Baka sa brand, that's kind of stupid. Spell na lang? At yung nag-spelling di pa tayo bigla? Wag na lang. Hindi na lang ako sasagot pag nagtanong kayo. Kailangan pa mag-spell. It is so hot. Am I the only one? Ka-aircon naman. Yan na. Hindi ko na sasabihin. Basahin nyo na lang. Grabe. Should I re-live? Should I restart the live? Sa tweezer? Huh? Sa music? Ha? Lahat na lang.
Copyright? Gano'n?
No, Instagram yung bawal ng music.
Music, oh. Tsaka pag business account.
Yung noise ng blower, lahat na lang. Bawal lahat. Bawal na lahat. Lahat na lang bawal.
Blank screen na lang.
Oo, green screen na lang tayo. So, tama ba yung paglagay ko ng lashes ko? Hindi ko na alam. Parang, medyo magsalita. Wag na rin tayo magsalita. Should I relive? Look, I look like a shih tzu. Okay, mag-relive na lang tayo. na naman. Quiet na nga lang ako. Hindi na nga, magre-relive na lang ako guys. Bye-bye.